Hello friends for YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the dryer in this Cambo washer and dryer, General Electric. And this is the model. Okay, this is the model GUD24ESSM1WW. Okay, so I already washed the clothes, so I'm gonna put it in. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your device or your clothes. These are videos for education purpose only. Okay, so I put the clothes in. I lock it all, the door. I lock the door, and this is the dryer cycles. So right here is off, more dry options, customs, easy care, delicate, more dry, off. But my clothes is just regular, so I don't care about all of this. I just need regular, so I go here. You can put 90 minutes, depends, but I think those two items it will dry like in 20 minutes. So just but I'm gonna put it to 90. So, and this is the way you start. Right there, and then if you want to stop it, you just open the door. And then press one more time. Okay, so that's the way you use the dryer on this Cambo washer and dryer, General Electric. Okay, also I have a video about how to use the washer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe. Thank you.